There's the throw. This is the place and send method. And there goes Oak. We're so excited I can't even see, which we kick off tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock. But right now we've got our junior handler back up on the dock, Connor Boyer and Maya. This is a 2-year-old yellow lab.
Come on, Maya!
Sporting her camouflage vest. She wants the toy. You can do anything to encourage your dog to jump, but you cannot push, nudge.
Come here, Maya!
You can't really touch your dog to try to get them in the water. They have to go in on their own accord. We can give them all the encouragement we can. Come on, let's go. Come on, Maya. You know you want to get in there. You're in there up to your elbows. You've got 30 seconds. Come on, come on. Almost had a slip in. Come on, Maya. You got about 15 seconds left. Come on, you know you want the toy. Come on, Maya, stop looking around at the crowd, being a ham. Come on. Just got in under the wire, had about 1 second left on the clock. Has Oak at about the 25-foot mark on the dock. No hesitation. We really welcome all of our new teams that came out here to join us this weekend. Jump. 7 feet 7 inches. That team will hold on to their first jump score of 9:10. That's right outside of St. Michael's. And again, Gracie's just getting her shape and her form and stamina back after having that litter of puppies, so we're looking to see some great things out of Gracie this year as she competes. She is a junior titled dog. She's completed 5 jumps in competition between 10 feet and 14 feet 11 inches, so we know she can do it. And another place and send technique, back at the 40. Very good, Gracie. She's just getting her feet wet again, so to speak. 13 feet 2 inches. She stepped that up by a foot. 13.2. We have Bailey and Annie McManus on the dock. Annie is the secretary of Delmarva Dock Dogs. Now watch Bailey. Very, very excited. Great jumping dog, an elite titled dog. She generally will jump between 23 feet and 24.11. And this dog is so exciting to watch up on the dock. She's so excited. She will get so much height in the air. Just watch the springs in her legs. Annie getting her very excited. Sitting her all the way at the back of the dock, showing her the toy. Getting her in the right form. So you see it? Bailey sees it. Now see it, Mom. There she goes. Oh! She never fails to please. That really looked nice, Annie.
Serious.
20 feet 9 inches for Bailey and Annie's first jump this afternoon. 20 feet 9. Please be sure to stick around. We've